Take a look at your daily routine. You scroll through reels, jump from one recommended video to the next, and swipe through endless social feeds without a second thought. It feels like you are making independent choices, but every time that next piece of content snaps into place, it is curated by an invisible engine, artificial intelligence. It is the active architecture deciding exactly what you see right now. Yet, there is a sharp disconnect. Many students look at this technology and feel anxious. They assume it is some sort of digital magic, or worse, an unstoppable force designed to replace human beings entirely. That misunderstanding is creating a widening divide. On one side, you have the vast majority who blindly consume whatever the algorithm feeds them. On the other, a small group who actually understand how the gears turn. To lead in the coming decades, you have to drop the idea that this technology is magical. You have to cross over the divide and learn exactly what the machine is actually doing. Let's clear the baseline right now. Artificial intelligence does not have a brain. It does not feel, it does not reason, and it does not generate independent thought. This animated diagram illustrates what is actually happening. We are looking at pattern recognition. AI is an assistant built entirely on grouping scattered information into identifiable structures. Think of a toddler learning what a cat is. They see one, then another. The brain maps physical traits until the definition locks in. The machine executes this exact process. The difference is entirely about scale. Instead of seeing 5 cats over a month, the system ingests millions of images, texts, and conversations in fractions of a second. Because it relies entirely on mapping historical data to find structures, it cannot create original thoughts. It is a strictly mathematical tool, completely devoid of magic. We see this data-driven anticipation in the physical world. Watch a professional cricket batsman facing a delivery thrown at 150 kilometers per hour. The batsman isn't relying on superhuman reflexes to survive. He anticipates the exact flight path of the ball because he has studied thousands of similar deliveries in the past. AI operates as the ultimate prediction engine, doing the exact same thing with digital information. It anticipates the next word in a sentence or the fastest route on a map, purely by referencing an unfathomably large history of previous examples. It runs on a simple rule of volume. The more historical data the system consumes, the sharper and more accurate its predictions become. Once you realize the machine is simply using past events to predict the immediate future, the anxiety around it fades. You are left looking at a highly functional, predictable tool. That brings us to an immediate behavioral threat facing students today. There is a pervasive temptation to take this predictive engine and use it to blindly auto-generate essays or complete homework assignments. Doing that is self-destructive. You are taking your own cognitive development and outsourcing it to a highly advanced calculator. You regress right back into a passive, programmable consumer. The system has strict limitations. It is unmatched at processing repetitive data and delivering probable answers, but it is entirely blind. It possesses zero independent vision. This visual dichotomy maps out the strict boundary between us and the machine. The tightly closed loop is the algorithmic output, efficient but repetitive. The forward-moving trajectory is the exclusive human domain, asking original questions, establishing ethics, displaying empathy, and applying creative vision to novel problems. Sacrificing your ability to think deeply for a few minutes of convenience leaves you without the specific cognitive tools needed to navigate a professional world where machines already handle the basic repetitive processing. The correct dynamic is a collaboration. The machine exists to generate high-speed answers. Your role is to formulate high-value, meaningful questions. This is the mindset of the active operator. Instead of using the tool as a shortcut to skip learning, you leverage it as a hyper-personalized super-tutor to accelerate deep comprehension. You can see the difference in how these prompts are structured. On the left is the shortcut. On the right is the active operator, commanding the system to break down complex topics, like asking it to explain photosynthesis using a cricket analogy. As these systems become the standard for how work is produced, your ability to direct them becomes your primary professional skill. The students who master this interaction determine whether they will lead the next generation of global innovation. AI serves as a cognitive lever, a tool that multiplies your learning potential. provided you remain the one applying the pressure of curiosity.